Guacamole, a classic Mexican dish, is a flavorful and creamy dip or spread made primarily from ripe avocados. It's not just a simple condiment but rather a cultural icon with a rich history and versatility in modern cuisine, and loved by many around the world. Let's delve into some engaging aspects and facts about guacamole. Cultural significance. Guacamole, originating from the Aztec Empire, holds cultural significance in Mexican cuisine, where avocados were revered as symbols of fertility and aphrodisiacs. It has evolved into a beloved staple in Mexican households and beyond. Variety of recipes. Guacamole recipes vary widely, from traditional ones featuring avocados mashed with lime juice, cilantro, onions, and tomatoes to creative variations incorporating ingredients like mango, bacon, or roasted peppers. Health benefits. Guacamole is packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Culinary technique. Making guacamole requires selecting ripe avocados, balancing flavors with citrus juice and seasonings, and mastering texture preferences, whether chunky or smooth. Social and festive aspect. Guacamole is often associated with social gatherings, celebrations, and sporting events, bringing people together with its communal dipping and sharing tradition and vibrant flavors. Global popularity. While rooted in Mexican cuisine, guacamole has gained worldwide popularity, with variations found on menus across different cultures, showcasing its universal appeal and adaptability. Feeling inspired to make your own guacamole masterpiece? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more tasty content, and share your guacamole adventures with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.